If you live to be 80 years old, you have roughly 4,000 weeks of life. That's it. If you are currently 30, you have already burned through 1,500 of them. Yet, the standard operating procedure for modern humans is to sell the next 2,000 weeks, your prime biological years, in exchange for a promise that you can enjoy the final 500 weeks when you are tired, aching, and gray. We typically view freedom or retirement as a finish line, a reward for enduring 40 years of labor. We treat our time as infinite and our energy as constant. But reality contradicts this. Your energy is a decaying asset, while your time is a non-renewable resource. Why does this deferred life plan work so effectively on billions of people? Because we misunderstand the physics of money. Today, we will dismantle the old blueprint and explore how to build a fortress of freedom, not in your 60 seconds, but in your 30 seconds, by mastering two opposing forces: the accumulation engine and the efficiency hack. To survive without selling your time, your fortress needs a self-sustaining energy source. It needs decoupling. Most people are coupled. 1 hour of work equals 1 unit of pay. If you stop working, the energy cuts off and the fortress collapses. The difficulty is gravity, inflation, and consumption. As soon as you earn money, the world tries to take it back through rising costs and your own desire for comfort. This keeps you trapped in linear growth, where you can never run fast enough to escape. The solution is to transform your money from currency into little soldiers. Imagine every dollar you save is a soldier. If you spend it on a coffee, that soldier dies. If you invest it in stocks, real estate, or business, that soldier goes to war and captures more soldiers. On a microscopic level, this is compound interest. It is the process of financial mitosis. At first, your army of soldiers is small, generating only pennies. But if you leave them alone, they breed. Eventually, you reach a crossover point, the specific moment where your army of soldiers brings in more resources while you sleep than you could ever hunt for while you are awake. This is the foundation of the fortress. But building an army takes time. If you strictly follow the save and wait path, you might still be 55 before the fortress is finished. We need to speed this up. The secondary challenge is the trap of the golden number. We are conditioned to think we need millions of dollars to be free. The hidden mechanism to solve this is lifestyle engineering. While the first layer focuses on increasing the supply of money, this layer focuses on optimizing the demand of your life. It is not about deprivation. It is about high efficiency happiness. Here is the twist that changes everything. Freedom is a ratio, not a number. Your fortress doesn't require $5 million. It only requires your passive income to be $1 higher than your burn rate. This introduces the concept of geographic arbitrage. In the digital age, you can disconnect your making dollars or euros online from your spending living in a country with a lower cost of living. By moving your physical body to a place where life is 50% cheaper, you effectively double the strength of your army instantly. You don't need to wait 20 years for your investments to double. You can double their purchasing power tomorrow by booking a flight. You can retire in your 30 seconds, not by becoming a millionaire, but by hacking the map. When we combine these layers, an army of dollar soldiers working via compound interest, coupled with the strategic intelligence of geographic arbitrage, the timeline collapses. What takes a normal person 40 years can be compressed into 10. This isn't just about money. It's about the terrifying and beautiful realization that you own your life. The Fortress of Freedom isn't a place to hide from the world. It's a platform from which you can explore it. It is the ability to wake up on a Tuesday morning and ask, what do I want to do, rather than what must I do? And that is a luxury worth fighting for. Building this fortress requires more than just hope. It requires logic, discipline, and a willingness to look at the numbers that most people ignore. It is a game of strategy, and you are the main character. We spend hundreds of hours researching these systems, so you don't have to. If you want to equip your mind with the tools to build your own fortress, click subscribe and ring the bell. We are building a community of architects, not just workers. Join us, and let's build something that lasts.